Hello, you are welcome. Solve this math problem. If x plus y equal to 68 meter, find x and y from this figure A, B, and C. AB is x, BC is y, and AC is 52 meter. Solution. As you see, this is a right triangle. Here we have height, base, and the hypotenuse. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the unknown sides. From here, using Pythagoras theorem, we see that x square plus y square is equal to 52 meter square. And we know that x plus y equal to 68. So this is a simultaneous equation. So from here I can find x square plus y square, which is equal to 52 square. And here we can find y is equal to 68 minus x. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So put equation 2 into equation 1. So we have x square plus y square, it is 68 minus x square is equal to 52 square. So it is x square plus, here it is in the form of a minus b square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is a is 68 square plus b square, it is x square, minus 2 times a 68 times b x, which is equal to 52 square. So it is x square plus 68 square plus x square minus, this is 136x, which is equal to 52 square. So we are going to move this 52 square in the left side. Here it is 2x square, x square plus x square, then minus 136x plus 68 square minus 52 square, which is equal to 0. Here it is. From here we have the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b factor a minus b. So it is 2x square minus 136x plus 68 plus 52, then 68 minus 52, which is equal to 0. This is equal to 2x square minus 136x plus, this is 10 here, this is 11 plus 1, this is 120 times, this is 8 minus 2, it is 6, then 6 minus 5, it is 1, 16, which is equal to 0. So let's divide both by 2. So it is x square minus 68x plus, here it is 60 times 1, 6, which is equal to 0. we divide here by 2. So it is a quadratic equation. You can find delta. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 68, and c is equal to 60 times 16. So we can find delta, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta is equal to b square, it is negative 68 square minus 4 times a times c, 60 times 16. 68 square, it is equal to 4624 minus 4 times 16 times 60. Let's take this. 4 times 16 is 64 times this 60. This is equal to 4624 negative. This one is equal to 3840. Delta is equal to this one minus this. It is 4 minus 0, it is 4. 2 minus 4 not exist. It is here 5. 12 minus 4 is 8. 45 minus 38, it is 7. Yes. Now x1 and x2 minus b plus or minus square root of delta over 2a. Here x1 is equal to negative b negative 68 plus square root of delta square root of 784 over 2 times 1, and x2 negative 68 negative square root of delta over 2 times 1. Yes, let's continue here. X1 and x2, it is 68 plus square root of 784, it is 28 over 2. It is 68 minus 28 over 2, so x2. This is equal to 96 over 2. Here it is 40 over 2. 96 over 2 is 48. 40 over 2 is 20. Yes. Then if x1 is equal to 48, then y is equal to 68 minus x1, which is equal to 48. So y1 is equal to 20. And then if x2 is equal to 20, and then y is equal to 68 minus 20, y2 is equal to 48. So the length x solution, we have two solutions. Solution 1, x if x is equal to 48, y is equal to 20. And if x is equal to 20, y is equal to 48. These are all in meters. So as you see on the figure, if x is 48 meter, y is equal to 20 meter. If x is equal to 48 meter, y is equal to 20 meter. If x is equal to 20 meter, y is equal to 48 meter. These are the solution. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.